kung bibigyan ka ng kapangyarihan na baguhin ang isang bagay para mapigilan ang climate change, ano ito at bakit? Candidate number 7, your answer.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Good evening, everyone. If I would be given a chance to change something to prevent climate change, that is, I would never use the word change, rather prevention, because prevention is better than cure. And that would be deforestation. I believe pinakang mahalaga po ang puno sa ating bundong ginagalawan. Sila po ang sumisipsip ng baha na nagiging sanhi ng pagkamatay ng maraming tao. At nasaksihan po natin yon noong nakaraang bagyong Uwan at bagyong Tino, kung saan maraming kinitil na buhay ang bagyo dahil din po yun sa atin at sa ating kababayaan. If we can do something in the future or now in the present, that is to take care of our nature, because nature take care of us in each and every day. Example, our Sierra Madre Mountain, which is sadly now facing deforestation, and I would use my voice and this platform to encourage each and everyone and also the youth that we should take care of our future, because our future holds the tomorrow. So kung iingatan po natin ng ating kalikasan, mamamatasan pa po ng susunod na henerasyon ang ganda ng kalikasang ating ginagalawan. And I thank you so much.